I know that most of us have been seeing Tolani Talks and other channels that talk about celebrity news, and you're wondering how this kind of videos are being made. So today I'm going to teach you how to do this kind of videos in minutes. Meeting me for the first time, hi, I'm Ariti Big Sister, and all I do on this channel is to teach you everything you need to know about AI content creation and YouTube automation and ways you can earn using AI. So go ahead to like this video and also subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification bell so you do not miss out whenever a new video is being dropped. So guys, let's go to class. The first step is to generate your scripts. Yes, remember that we're talking about Aproko, we're talking about gists, right? You can get your script from newspapers, that's the latest newspapers. You can also get them from Facebook. You can also get them from Instagram. Like there are different social media platforms that you can get your hot gists. You can get them from Google. But for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to limit it to ChatGPT. Do you understand? I will just head over to ChatGPT. And this was what I told ChatGPT. I told it that I need that I want to start an Aproko channel and I want hot gists. That's trendy gist. Do you understand? And I want it to be based in Nigeria. I want it to give me 5 trending topics in Nigeria. Do you understand? And I want it to be in pidgin language. And ChatGPT understood the assignment. If you think ChatGPT does not know pidgin language, you must be joking. ChatGPT is a vibe. It's just for you to prompt it well. So this was what I told it, and it started generating my gist for me. It just gave me a breakdown of the trending gist. Do you understand? Then I told it to limit this gist to celebrity buzzwords, that's celebrity news. Do you understand? So it started giving me the news about celebrity, the trendy news about celebrity. And if you're Nigerian, I know that you must be abreast with this particular topic. So out of these 10 topics, I picked number 7. That is top 10 Nigerian celebrity wahala wey scatter internet this year. Do you understand? So I said, give me number 7, make it well detailed. The intro should be catchy and with vibe. Do you understand? Remember that it's Aproko they are doing. You're not just going there to speak English. You are there to hook audience. You are there to entertain them. You are there to also inform them. Though it may not be in a professional way, but you are there to also inform them. Do you understand? So please make sure you get your facts straight. So this is it. It gave me the top 10 Nigerian celebrity wahala wey scatter internet this year. See the intro, it says, my people, una welcome back. Oh, if you think say 2026 go quiet for Nigerian entertainment industry, chai, you don't miss plenty episodes. This year alone, celebrities don't drag themselves finish, from Instagram buzzwords to shocking interviews to friendship wey scatter, relationship wahala, public call outs, and fans wey add petrol for fire. E be like say every week get one new drama. Today, we go count down the top 10 Nigerian celebrity wahala wey make everywhere hot this year. Some go make you laugh, some go shock you, and some go make you ask, say, na so adults dey behave? Before we start, abeg tell me for comment section, which celebrity cause the biggest wahala this year? And if you never subscribe, wetin you still dey wait for? Hit that subscribe button, like this video, and make we enter the gist. Shey you see? I am feeling the vibe. Like this is so nice, and it gave me, you see, these are different celebrity buzzwords. So this is it. Yours may not be celebrity buzzwords. Yours may not be about celebrity. Yours may be about football. Yours may be about the government. Just anything that is informative, that can actually entertain people, that can actually bring home or drive home the idea of what you want to say. You can do it, and you don't even need to show your face. You can do it with AI. So this is what this particular niche is all about. As for the next step, I told it to give me the image prompt for this particular thing. I asked it to give me the image prompt. Do you understand? Because you need to have an image that will be saying this kind of thing. Remember that you're not showing your face, so you need to get an image. So I asked it to give me an image prompt of a young lady in Lagos, aesthetically in an aesthetically pleasing apartment. I just described her, and it gave me the image prompt. So it gave me the image prompts. I asked for two image prompts so I can compare and contrast which one is better. Do you understand? So it gave me this one. As you can see, it also gave me this one. So we are going to go ahead to generate the images, and I'm going to choose one out of the two images. For the purpose of this tutorial, I am going to make use of ChatGPT to generate my image. Feel free, like I always say, feel free to use Flow AI. Feel free to use Google Gemini. In fact, Google Gemini is unlimited when it comes to image generation. So you can use Google Gemini if you feel it's the best. But I am so lazy to start alternating. I'm going to generate them using ChatGPT. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this. Do you understand? Copy it, and I'll head over to this place. I'll paste it and I say generate an ultra blah 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 blah. I remember this one is for YouTube. The aspect ratio is 16:9, but if you're using it for TikTok, you will change it to 9:16. If you're also using it for Facebook, you will change it to 9:16. But this is for YouTube, right? That's why I put it here at 16:9. So I'll just click on this arrow and allow it to generate my image for me. So here is our image. Can you see? She's looking like someone that runs her mouth. See, she looks beautiful. Like she looks beautiful. She looks presentable, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to save this. Yes, I'm going to save it into my device. Then for the next step, I'm also going to generate the second image so that I will see if that second image will be much more better than this first one. So I'll copy it to this place and I will select and paste. So here is the prompt. I want to change this to 9:16 because I want this one to be TikTok size, so that I will show you how the one for TikTok size is. So I'll just paste it here and allow it to generate my image for me. So guys, here is our second image, and I think she's more beautiful. She's more beautiful. So between this first one, which is this, and this one, which one do you think is more presentable? I'll go for this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to long press and click on save, and voila, I have my image ready. And please, one more thing, you have to maintain face consistency. The only thing that will differentiate you from other creators is your ability to maintain your face consistency. The slide one should not look different from the slide two. Her face should be consistent throughout your video. Do you understand? So please, that is what you need to learn. After our image generation, I asked it to give me the video prompts. Do you understand? So it gave me the video prompts for it. By video prompts, I mean the gesture, everything, how she moves her hands, how she walks, how she expresses herself, her face expression and everything. You get? So that's it. To make our images to talk or to convert our image to video, we are going to make use of Google Vids. Feel free to use Flow AI, Grok AI, or even Clink AI. But for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you using Google Vids, right? So what you're going to do is to come over to your Chrome browser. Once you come over to your Chrome browser, you will type in Google Vids. And when you type in Google Vids, you click on this arrow and you click on this first one. Once you click on this first one, you will come to this interface. And with that, you're going to sign in to Google Vids. You're going to sign in with either your Google account or your email account. And once you sign in, it will bring you to this interface. You have the landscape, you have the portrait, you have the square. Then you have your 3.1, convert slides, record, upload, templates. I want you to click on view 3.1. When you click on view 3.1, it will bring you to this interface. And when you come to this interface, you are going to click on this place. You will see create from scratch. You also see animate an image. We are going to choose animate an image. So I'll click on animate an image and I'll import the image that I want to make talk. Do you understand? So I'll import this add image. I'll click on add image and import my image. So I've imported my image and I'll head over to ChatGPT, copy my video prompt and my dialogue prompt and put it here and allow it to generate. I will then paste the prompt I copied. I will paste it, and please make sure you don't carry too much so that your video will come out well. It will not be stuttering or it will not be so fast. Do you understand? With that, I will now click on generate and you start generating my video for me. Alright guys, our video is ready. Let me play it.
Omo, if you blink small this year, you don't miss another celebrity wahala. Now every week, one new gist the best internet. Some celebrity Omo, if you blink small this year,
can you see that? So to download it, I'm just going to press.
Omo, if you blink small this year, you don't miss another Omo, if you blink small.
So that is it. I'll just long press and click on download and the video will be downloaded. If you want to extend it, just click on this extend feature and you will now type in the next prompt. Do you understand? The next thing you want it to say. I've pasted the next prompt and I'll click on generate and it will start generating my video for me, as you can see. So here is our second video.
Some celebrities, they drag themselves, some they throw shades, while fans, they add more fire for the comment section. Today, I carry some celebrities, they drag themselves, some they throw shades, while fans, they add more fire for the comment section. Today, I carry.
This is how you can do it. And remember that you can keep extending and keep adding your prompts until you achieve your full image. You can also use Flow AI to achieve this. You can use Grok AI if you have subscribed to their pro version. So this is how you can create your Aproko channel in minutes. Having gotten our video, the next step is to edit, and for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to make use of CapCut. Then I'm going to import our videos. I'll click on new video and import the video. So here they are. I'll make sure that the aspect ratio is 16:9. Do you understand? Then I'm also going to add my animation, add my text, things that will make this to look even more better. Our video is ready. Let me play it.
Omo, if you blink small this year, you don't miss another celebrity wahala. Now every week, one new gist the best internet. Some celebrities, they drag themselves, some they throw shades, while fans, they add more fire for the comment section.
Can you see that? So this is a tutorial. This is a tutorial, so it's not meant to be very long. You can actually make your own long while experimenting or while doing your own video. This is to guide you on how you can do yours. Do you understand? So this is how you can do it. This is how you can come up with your own channel, and with that you own a channel. With that you can start your own Aproko TV, and with that you can get views. Do you understand? So this is how you can do it. So if you have watched up to this point, do well to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification bell so you do not miss out whenever a new video is being dropped. And don't forget that I'm available for coaching and one-on-one collaboration. Do well to reach out to me through the email showing in my description box, and also comment on the next video you want to see on this channel, and I'll do well to bring them up in my next tutorial. And as I come your way next time, stay safe and bye-bye.